Freightliner M2 2013 EGR DPF NOx SCR delete remote. Vehicle information. Brand Freightliner. Model Freightliner M2. Year 2013. ECU Cummins CM2350. Service EGR plus DPF plus NOx and SCR delete. Problem: check engine light on, truck in derate mode. Solution: remote tuning via Diagnostic tool and TeamViewer. Modified ECU file to disable EGR, DPF, and SCR.